Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use constructor overloading in Java with an example, like it is the third problem in our series, problem on Java series. So what we need to do? What is the question? Write a Java program to create a class called box and write constructor to initialize a square box, a rectangular box and a triangular box using overloaded constructors. So first of all, what is meant by overloaded constructors? It is nothing but same method name with different parameters. That's all. So include a method to display to print the details of the given box. So we have to include a one method to print the details of the box as well. So let us create a class called box first. Okay, let me create one package. So in question 2 shall I write? Okay, let me create one more package, question 3. New package, question 3 done. So in the question 3, what I have to do, I have to create a box, I mean class called box. Class name is box, right? New class, and what I need to create, box. Okay, done. So is it a main method, right? So if we don't have any main method, then we can't do it in one class, right? So main method. Okay, done. So let me write this. No need. Okay, done. So public class box. Okay, done. So first of all, what we need to do for any box, what are the three things? What are the different types of boxes here? Square, rectangular and triangular box, three boxes. So for square, all sides are equal, so we need side length of the side. So and for rectangle, we need length and breadth, and for triangular we need base and height, right? Okay, so we need three different types of integers. What is that? Length, breadth and height. Also we will be using one more string called type, matlab to specify whether it is a square, whether it is a rectangular, or whether it is a triangular. Okay, yeah. So let me do that. So first of all, what I will do, I will create int length, comma breadth, comma and height. Done. I have created integers of length, breadth and height. So I can write in three sentences as well: int length, semicolon int breadth, semicolon int breadth, sorry, int height. But it's be easy way, right? So that's why I have written string type. I need to write which type as well. Okay, done. So next what I will do, I will create the constructors. Okay, so overloaded constructors we need, right? So we need to write class name and we need to write the parameters here. Okay, so parameter first we have to write, right? So how many types of boxes are there? Square, rectangular and triangular. For square, if you enter the side, it's enough, right? Yes or no? If you enter the side, it's enough. So I'm having a one parameter for square box. So for square, what I'm doing, I will be using int side. Okay, int side. So here length, equal to breadth is equal to height, right? That is equal to side. So all sides are equal. So I have written like that. And what is the type here? And if the type is equal to square box, what it is? Square box. Similarly, let me write another constructors for rectangular and triangular. For rectangular, I will write now box. So here I will be writing two parameters, right? I think length, breadth, height is required for rectangular box. So length, breadth, and height. So int L, comma int B, comma int H. So these things I am using, and length equal to, see I have already declared, right? Length equal to L, breadth equal to B, and height is equal to H. So we declared, and the type is rectangular box. Okay, done. So another constructor for triangular box. Let me do that well as well. So for triangular we need only base and height, right? Box int base and int. Okay, so here length equal to base, and the height we are using here a height, right? So height will be same height, this dot height is equal to height, and also here there will be no breadth, right? So I will be writing the breadth equal to 0. Okay, value is done. So for this type is okay, done. So what we have done, we have taken the integers length, breadth, and height, and also the type string type, and we have written three constructors, for one for square box and one for rectangular box and another for triangular box. Now what we have to do? Let me see the question. The question is like, write a Java program to create a class called box. Done. Write constructor to initialize a square box, rectangular box, and triangular box using overloaded constructors. Done. Include a method to display to print the details of the given box. We have to include a method now. Okay. For displaying, right? So I will write void display. Okay, void display. So first of all, what is the type we need? Okay. So after that, the length and also the breadth. We need all these things, right? Yeah. So system dot out dot, we can also take from the user, but it is in the question it is not specified, right? So that's why we are not using. First box type we need to add, no, box type here plus type. Done. And after that, length, breadth, and height we need to know, right? Length, length, length. Done. Now again breadth. So in breadth, see, in length is we are having the length value in this, length value in this, and length value in this. But for breadth, we are having this and this, but here the breadth value is 0. So we can write a if condition here. If breadth is not equal to 0. Okay, if breadth is not equal to 0, then we can print breadth is not equal to, sorry. What we can print? Breadth. Next, height. Height. Okay, done. Now, done. So now we can write we have to call this in the main method, right? So up to this, what are the things given in the question? It is done. Now we can write the main method we have to call. Okay. Just we need to create the object for these constructors. So box square box SB is equal to new box, and we will be passing the first one as square box where we are passing the 5. So it means one parameter. That means if we are using one parameter, that includes square box. For three parameters, that includes rectangular, and for two parameters, it includes the type triangular box. Okay, and for box rectangular RB is equal to new box. For rectangular box, we'll be using three conditions, right? So that's why 4, 5, 6. Okay, done. And for box, let me write box triangular box TB is equal to new box. Two values we have to enter, right? 6 and 7. Let me write 6 comma 7. Okay, done. So we are calling three box. We have given the values for rectangular, triangular, and square. Now we have to call that method, right? Display is a method. So square box dot display and rectangular box dot display. Okay, and triangular box dot display. Okay, done. Now let me run this program. So we are not taking the inputs from the user, just we are according to the square box. If the length, breadth, and height is 5, and for box type rectangular box, we are using length, breadth 5 is like 4, 5, 6, and for triangular box, length is 6, and height is 7. We can print this one as base as well. So for triangular box, where this is this one, yeah. Okay then. That's all, guys. This is the answer solution for the problem 3. So in the next we will be discussing another problem in the next video. So thank you guys for watching my video.